welcome back to the vlog. So I'm finishing up my video that's gonna go up today, but I filmed the other part of the video. So this is a little bit of behind the scenes of my cleaning videos. I filmed the other part of this video like the other day, and hold on. Was filming the other part of this video the other day, and so a day has passed in between when I started filming my clean and decorate with me and now. So of course, since time has passed, my house is dirty again. Not dirty, but you know, like you live in your house. So yeah, and I wasn't gonna be stressed out to keep it perfectly clean until I was done filming the video. Like, that's stupid. So right now I'm just I filmed a couple of after shots when I filmed the other day, but not all of them. And obviously, like when you're decorating, you move stuff around as time goes on, as you live in your space with the new decor out and stuff like that. So I am going to re-tidy up the kitchen. The kitchen portion in my clean and decorate with me, like the cleaning part, wasn't that extensive anyway. I feel like you all have seen me wash my dishes so many times, and I tried to bring some variety in what I focus on in my cleaning videos. It's already up on my channel if you're watching this. I focus more on like cleaning the couch and cleaning my area rug in front of the couch instead of focusing on cleaning the kitchen. But because I'm cleaning the kitchen and this is a different video, I'm gonna do a time lapse because it's satisfying. I'm gonna put on some Christmas music and show you guys that. Don't mind my tree. I have not fluffed it. All I did was put it up and plug it in. The plan for tonight is going to be to, I'm getting the new ornaments in the mail today. And I'm also getting a cookie decorating kit delivered from Target. So the boys and I are gonna decorate the tree and we're going to do the cookie decorating. I don't know what time we're gonna do that, because I also have a meeting later on this evening, a Zoom meeting that I am a part of. We'll play everything by ear, no stress, but right now I'm going to clean up the kitchen. Okay, so, ooh, don't hit me, girl. Time to go get Ethan. And I have not had anything substantial to eat today, so I'm like starving. I stuffed my mouth with a bunch of junk, and that is what you should not do, and that is why preparation is everything. I should have made myself some avocado toast, but instead I grabbed something fast, and making avocado toast would have taken me like maybe 5 minutes. Making bad choices. Anyway, I got my video was uploaded today. My clean and decorate with me. Finally, I was waiting on Amazon to send me my cushion covers, so that's really what the delay was. But it ended up working out. I think Friday is a good day to post a video like that. So if people get inspired to clean and decorate, they can do so over the weekend. So that works out. So it was a really light day at work, so I got the opportunity to really knock some stuff out. That is my favorite thing about Friday. There usually aren't any meetings on Friday, so you actually have time to sit and dedicate to tasks. So I got a whole lot done today. And let me tell you something about XL TikTok. They literally saved my life. XL TikTok saved my life, because you know how you will Google certain things about XL and you don't necessarily get the information that you were looking for or whatever. Just a few seconds on XL TikTok and I got exactly what I was looking for in like less than a minute. So yeah, if you want to know what my what my TikTok feed is it a feed? I don't know, girl. But if you want to know what my TikTok is comprised of, well, I can't, vocabulary is just all the way off today. But if you want to know what my TikTok feed looks like, it's basically all Excel, how to do certain things in Excel. So I'm definitely feeling myself because I just cut like something that probably would have taken me an additional hour. It took me literally 1 second. If you know how to work Excel, if you are proficient in Excel, you are like so much more productive. That's what I did at work today. Headed to go get Ethan. Today is a Bath and Body Works sale for candles. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I don't think I need any more candles, but also, you know, like I actually have not purchased candles from Bath and Body Works in a very long time, because I've been getting them. I pick up candles pretty much everywhere I go. So I pick up candles at Aldi, I pick up candles at, you know, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods. You know, I'll pick up a candle here and there. So I don't really need to go to Bath and Body Works to get candles, but I kind of want to, just to be a part of the festivities, to be like, oh, here's my candle sale haul. But it's not going to be all like that, because I refuse to be that person who spends $60. I mean, if they're $10, I guess they will be $60. I refuse to be that person to spend all this money on candles. I can't do it. But I want to. What else do I have to do today? So I need to exercise. I need to exercise at some point. It's so funny because I have been exercising so little recently because, you know, I was out of town and preparing to be out of town. My watch has been so much more like my watch's expectations of me are so low. Like this morning, well, you know, I was doing the dishes and I was tidying up around the apartment, and my watch was like, you're on a roll. And I'm like, girl, I have not been doing anything. Like, you know how normally if you work out in the morning well, you know, the watch monitors your patterns and all of that and record, you know, and tracks your pattern or whatever. So like if you work out normally in the evening and you just decide to switch it up one day and work out in the morning, then your watch will be like, wow, you did this in the morning today. You normally don't burn this many calories. And the sad part about it is that I only burn like 30 calories, and my watch was like, oh wow, you are really, and I'm like, oh my goodness, your expectations of me are so low now. So anyway, that's embarrassing. So I'm gonna do something this weekend. Okay, so now I have talked you all the way to Ethan's school. So I am going to practice my song for Sunday, listen to an audiobook or a podcast or something, and then I will check back in with you guys later.
Oh, you got it. I really got it. Catch. Oh.
Why did I just snort? That's it. Like Peppa Pig.
I missed.
I ain't never been more about it. Whoa. Alright, I gotta get ready for my meeting, Ethan. I'm getting ready for my meeting. I do have to be on camera, so I'm gonna go pull myself together and not have a baseball hat on. But I just made myself some tea. I just ate some eggs and french fries. I know, it's random. We've got a box. Take it over there. Really not packaged well, but Ethan can open it. What's in it? Let's see.
It's something.
It's something.
We need scissors.
No, we don't. Ah.
It's
Oh, my nail. I really just bought this for the black, the white, and the green. And here is the cookie decorating kit.
Whoa! I got some there.
Okay, go show Zaya.
The puppet.
What'd you say?
Like I to show you something.
Oh, okay. Did you set that up?
Yes.
Thank you. So we're gonna put this on the Christmas tree. Do you want to go put it over there by the Christmas tree?
Now with the cookies.
We can leave the cookies there. We can leave the cookies there, and we'll decorate these. Should we do this today too? We'll decorate the tree and then see how we feel.
I'm gonna dump in here.
Okay, you play with that. So I'm out of the meeting. I'm out of the meeting while my hair is a poofy mess. I am not going to be wearing this hair when I sing on Sunday. I need to figure something out. I don't even know what I'm like wearing, like clothes wise, and I'm like frantically scrolling through Amazon to see if there's anything that could be overnighted to me, even if it's like just a skirt that could be overnighted. You know, at this point I'm just so I think the first thing I need to do is, if I'm going to order something, it has to be tonight if it's going to be overnighted. So I'm going to get on that. And then it's 7:37, so I'm glad that meeting wasn't too late. Whoa. To still have like a good hour before bedtime, and that's plenty of time to decorate the tree and do the cookies. I think the cookies are going to be like 20 minutes of chaos, and then it's going to be done. So I think that's what we're going to do. The boys have already eaten dinner and all that, so yeah. So I'm gonna get to scrolling through Amazon and see if I can find something. What I'm looking for is a long pleated skirt, like one that's kind of like flowy, and then I can wear something more fitted on top. That silhouette is very flattering on me since I have wider hips and I'm larger on the bottom half. Yes.
Do you have me to get in here?
Just climb in.
What do you need?
He's playing with that box. So anyway, you all will end up seeing what I wear at some point. Y'all, Ethan is in this box. No, shh, I'm gonna call Xavier. Xavier, come here. Come here, quickly. Where's Ethan?
Wait, is that Ethan? I don't know where Ethan is. Where is he? Ethan's inside the box. How did you get inside the box? I turned the highway. Go inside the box.
You can't fit in that, but you're gonna turn into a contortionist.
I will turn into a.
You're gonna contort your body to fit in this box. Nope, you're too big. It hurts. Does it really? Does it really? Oh, get out then.
Help! I have no box there.
at me, Ethan. Look at me. Wow. Were the cookies, were they good?
I think banana is so good.
All right, guys. So the Christmas tree is partially decorated. I think I may add a few more touches. Or Ethan, he just tackled me. Or I may not. We may just be exactly the way it is. We have some stragglers down there at the bottom, so we'll fix that up. Boys had a great time decorating cookies, as you saw. I took great pride in my cookies, and I am pretty proud of them. So anyway, I'm going to close out today's vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.